Hi, Jason. Yeah, tell me about InPlay's NanoBeacon SoC technology.
Yeah, NanoBeacon actually is a brand name we gave to this new product line we developed. We startup company is, as I said, is a 7 years old startup. So this is the new product we introduced to market about 1.5 years ago, right? So the reason we call it NanoBeacon is because it's cost only consume nano current-wise, right? So it's very low power.
Yeah,
that's why. And this just do the beaconing, right? So it's a transmitter only Bluetooth chip. So that's we want to get a good name for our product. So that's why we name it NanoBeacon.
How do you think that compares with what's on the market already?
Yeah, that's we make some very unique feature about this chip. It's a Bluetooth, but we purposely remove the CPU out of this design.
Oh wow!
So this is world first CPU-less Bluetooth chip in the market. So the reason we're doing that is trying to reduce development effort, right? So it's speaking of the Bluetooth, is a consumer-friendly name. Everyone knows about it. Yeah. But once you want the people to develop the Bluetooth stack and the application, it's difficult. You need the embedded skills, right, to make the project working. So by removing a CPU out of the design, it's basically reduce the barrier to enter into this space, and you can easily use the tool we provided to develop the all Bluetooth-based IoT product.
So they can pick the processors they want.
Oh, they don't.
Or they don't need it.
They don't need it, right? Yeah, for many use cases, they don't really need a processor, right? They just need to put some data in, like sensor. You want to get temperature sensor, program in, and send it out. Right? It's a lot of applications only do simple things. We don't want to complicate developer's life.
Yeah. So it's low power. It's
ease of use. Tiny, because we remove the CPU, whereas make the chip really, really tiny. This is how tiny that is. It's 1 by 2.
But that's a piece of paper.
You barely see that the black dot. That's our chip.
Oh, the black dot.
Yes.
I love that.
Yeah, that's like
you couldn't even put it in your hand, or you would
It's very
out.
Exactly.
Very good. Okay.
Size of a grain.
So that's It's millimeter by
1 by 2.
Yeah, that's very tiny.
Yeah,
and then I read it with no code.
No code, because we remove the CPU. You don't need to do any development.
Absolutely.
Right? There is no development language required. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Very good.
People talk about they can develop this connected sensor in hours.
It must cost a ton of money. Is this really expensive?
No.
Low.
That's the reason, right? So we remove the CPU, make it really low cost, low power, low cost, and and fast, quick to market.
How is it? Has adoption be good? People are buying it?
A lot, right? So it's since we introduced this product to market, we've been receiving hundreds of customers worldwide. Right?
Really?
So they do all different type of things. It's really eye-opening even for us, right? At the beginning, we try to find a home just in the outside tracking market, but afterwards we found out a lot of people especially from the sensors world, they try to connect their sensor to our NanoBeacon SoC to make connected sensor, right? So it's that's why we're here, right? So we try to make more friends with sensor industry.
Well, so what is the most unusual use case?
Yeah, from connected sensor perspective, we see a lot of use case for cold chain management, right? So it's like a food freshness, and they want to monitor the temperature. Sometimes, for environmental sensor like a gas sensor, people want to know the air quality surrounding them, right? So that's another big market happening right now. And it's with different sensors, we can go to different use cases.
What's the next evolution of this?
We see connected sensor definitely is something we really want to focus on down the road, right? So because there could be 500 different sensors, to address maybe 10,000 different problems. So and as the AI taking off, and the more sensor data need to be shoot to the cloud for the AI engine to process. the more sensors will be needed, as I see, right? So hopefully this connectivity solution we provide to the sensor companies makes a lot of sense for them to make sense of those sensor data possible.
And who are your big partners?
Right now we work with Sensirion, right? So Bosch, NXP, and Azotec, a lot of them. And we try to make more friends in the sensor world.
Oh, wow. Thanks very much. Nice to meet you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.